Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is an American politician, environmental lawyer, anti-vaccine activist, and conspiracy theorist whom President-elect Donald Trump has nominated to serve as United States Secretary of Health and Human Services. Kennedy was born at Georgetown University Hospital in Washington, D.C. on January 17, 1954. He is the third of 11 children of Senator and U.S. Attorney General Robert F. Kennedy and Ethel Skakel. He is a nephew of President John F. Kennedy and Senator Ted Kennedy. Since 2005, Kennedy has promoted vaccine misinformation 9 and public health conspiracy theories, including the scientifically disproven claim of a causal link between vaccines and autism. The preservative Kennedy bases his claims on has not been used in childhood vaccines since 2001. Kennedy is a licensed master falconer and has trained hawks since he was 11. He breeds hawks and falcons and is also licensed as a raptor propagator and a wildlife rehabilitator. He holds permits for federal gamekeeper, bird bander, and scientific collector. He was president of the New York State Falconry Association from 1988 to 1991. On April 3, 1982, Kennedy married Emily Ruth Black, whom he met at the University of Virginia School of Law. Kennedy and Black separated in 1992 and divorced in 1994. On April 15, 1994, Kennedy married Mary Kathleen Richardson, a close friend of his sister Carrie, aboard a research vessel on the Hudson River. Kennedy has 6 children, 2 with Black and 4 with Richardson. On May 12, 2010, Kennedy filed for divorce from Richardson. On May 16, 2012, Richardson was found dead in a building on the grounds of her home in Bedford, New York. In 2012, Kennedy began dating the actress Cheryl Hines. They were married on August 2, 2014 at the Kennedy compound. The couple were introduced by Larry David, Hines co-star on HBO's Curb Your Enthusiasm. Kennedy has described his position as advocating for medical freedom and raising concerns about government overreach in public health matters, though public health experts and fact-checkers have widely criticized this framing. After growing up in the Washington, D.C. area and Massachusetts, Kennedy graduated from Harvard University and the University of Virginia School of Law. He began his career as an assistant district attorney in New York City. In the mid-1980s, he joined 2 non-profits focused on environmental protection, Riverkeeper and the Natural Resources Defense Council (NRDC). His work at Riverkeeper set long-term environmental legal standards. At both organizations, Kennedy won legal battles against large corporate polluters. He became an adjunct professor of environmental law at Pace University School of Law in 1986. In 1987, Kennedy founded Pace's Environmental Litigation Clinic and held the position of supervising attorney and co-director there until 2017. He founded the non-profit environmental group Waterkeeper Alliance in 1999, serving as the president of its board until 2020. Kennedy is the chairman and founder of Children's Health Defense, an anti-vaccine advocacy group and proponent of COVID-19 vaccine misinformation. He was on the ballot in some states as an independent candidate in the 2024 United States presidential election, a member of the Kennedy family. He is a son of United States Attorney General and Senator Robert F. Kennedy and a nephew of U.S. President John F. Kennedy and Senator Ted Kennedy. In a 2003 article for the Chicago Tribune, Kennedy called the U.S. federal government America's biggest polluter and the U.S. Department of Defense the worst offender. Citing the Environmental Protection Agency EPA, he wrote, "Unexploded ordnance waste can be found on 16,000 military ranges and more than half may contain biological or chemical weapons."